Hey folks, it's Abel. Welcome to Grand Teton. You're on top of Signal Mountain. I wanted to explain something pretty cool when you go to state parks, national parks, pretty much any other place that's popular, especially during the summertime. Most people don't really stray out of their cars very often, especially at these massive parks like Tetons and Yellowstone. Most people stick to the paved roads, maybe like the most popular trails that are just kind of right there. So, if you're in reasonably good shape, or if you enjoy a good adventure, then take about like 5 minutes to walk away from the main trails and go see what's out there. Because in a lot of cases, you'll get it all to yourself, and you'll avoid the crowds. And a big part of appreciating nature is shutting up and just listening and being. We don't get to do that enough in the fast-paced modern world that's highly technologized and everything's bleeping and blooping at us all the time. So, if you want to recharge your batteries a little bit, get out there and take that adventure. Go hiking too. It's so much fun. We just saw a mama bear and 3 baby bears. Fortunately, not up too close. We were safe, but it's always a thrill. Yesterday we saw a mama elk eating out of a geothermal pool at Yellowstone. These are things you just can't forget. But anyway, I'm going to quiet down so you can enjoy this.